Hello everyone! Today I would like to tell you how to download Visual Studio on Windows 10 in 2023. Before we get started, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Okay, first step, we need to open a browser. I use Firefox. And now we need to type in the search bar Visual Studio download. Okay, and follow the first link. Scroll down a little bit. Okay, we are interested in this section for Windows. To download community version, we need to click on this button, free download. And to download professional, click there. And to download enterprise, click on this button. Let's download community version, click on this button. And now we need to wait a couple of seconds. Okay, our installer downloaded. Now we need to open it. Just click on this file. Run. Okay, now we just have to go along with everything.